For my first image, I really wanted to pick mainly two set colors that I would use. So the blue and orange were the main colors that I went with, and then the other colors were just varying values or tones of that initial color. So that's kind of where I got the lighter oranges and the somewhat teal color. I wanted to pick colors that I felt were really vibrant, so I could play around with how they interacted with each other whenever the values were adjusted slightly, and because I just really like the complementary colors of a blue and an orange. I didn't really have a set plan with this one. I just knew for sure the colors that I wanted to use, but not necessarily where I wanted them to go, so I just kind of messed around with which colors went in which boxes until I got a composition and color arrangement that I felt looked pretty cool, and just kind of played with your eyes a little bit. For my second image, I wanted to play more with contrast, so I chose a fairly light yellow and a darker blue, and in this one I was overlapping to get it to where the first image looks like the yellow is more dominant over top the blue. The middle image is a decent mix of the yellow and blue together, and then the bottom one is the blue overlapping the yellow. And it was kind of tricky finding one that perfectly matched the yellow overlapping the blue, but it was fairly easy to find colors that I felt fit the equal balance between the two for the image in the middle. And then the one at the end, it was really easy to determine the shade of blue that I would use. For the yellow one, it was challenging because some of the colors were either too green or just too desaturated to look like it made a decent fit. So I just chose the yellow that I felt best went with the idea that the yellow is overlapping. And both of them were really fun. I like the color schemes, and I enjoyed playing with the different shades and hues that I did.